Sure, what do you want to do? I don't know. Well, we could bake something. Oh, wait. Are we supposed to be Lego people? Why do you have a square head? Don't break the, whatever it's called. The fourth. I'm not going to say it either. Well, it's looking pretty stormy. This is not good. It's really not good. Oh gosh, it's raining. This place doesn't even have a roof. How bad? Okay. How did it get bad so quickly? I don't freaking know. But everything is starting to get, everything is getting covered with water. This is really bad. Really bad. Okay, I'm starting to feel it. Oh, okay. Oh, no. Oh, not the doors. Creak. Oh, no. Creak. Ah! Not good. I don't know what to do. Our house is flooding. No joke, this is kind of a nice house. Oh, there's an attic up there. Wow. Oh no, I just realized. Are we gonna drown soon? I hope not. Wait a minute. Oh no. Well, how are we going to escape? Oh yeah, you're probably right about that. Okay, thank you so much for watching.